What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So today I'm gonna review this Bean Envy Milk Frother. So Bean Envy sent us this unit for review. I ordered one that's in white. So this is the packaging that it came with. The packaging is pretty neat. It's black. I like the color design. Now on the side, it tells you their story and also how you can clean and install the battery. And on the other side, it will kind of give you a hint on what to do with the milk frother. So on the back, it tells you what this milk frother is made out of, such as motor speed and also the wand, what type of steel it's made out of. So it's pretty neat. You can kind of get to know your product a little bit before you open it. So anyway, let me open this. So there are a couple of things booklet in here. There's one booklet. Oh, look, there's a recipe on the back. Oh, so this is user guide. It tells you how to install the battery, how to operate, how to clean. So it also tells you what kind of milk you should choose for using this milk frother. So it will come in handy, depending on what kind of milk you have. So it will give you a idea of what kind of taste you will get out of it. But yeah, oh look, limited time coupon. They also have coupon in here. So if you don't know Bean Envy, you should go to their website and check it out. They have a bunch of coffee products for you to choose from. So yeah, so go check it out. I think it's pretty neat, their website. And also there's a VIP club, so you can register for more exclusive product and discounts. Alright, so let's see the product itself. So there's a packaging. Okay. Alright, so here is the product itself. They already provide you with the stand. And let's see the wand. Alright, here you go. It looks pretty cool. I like the design. Especially the color goes pretty well with the logo. It feels pretty good in my hand. It's soft to the touch. FYI, it does not come with any batteries, so you do need to provide two AA batteries here. And alright, so let me go install the battery and test this out. Now I have my own recipe in terms of what I will use for the milk frother. So just wait and see, and let me show you. So now you can see it's in daytime. I'm gonna make some coffee. My go-to drink is the Dalgona coffee because it tastes really good and really refreshing, and also it's just the texture is very different than the regular coffee you've been drinking. Before I get started making this coffee, I just want to mention that make sure the ribbon, when you insert the battery, the ribbon is underneath the battery, so that way later on when you take out replacing the battery, it's much easier. And also, first time using this milk frother, you should clean it. So what you do is just get some soapy detergent inside a cup and then just turn this thing on inside. So that way it will get clean. Make sure that you do not submerge the body into the water. Only wash the metal part. And also do not use dishwasher to wash it either. Once you are done and then run it through cold water. Yeah, that's how I clean it. Okay, anyway, so to make Dalgona, it's really simple. It's just 1:1:1 ratio. So I have 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of water, hot water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I guess any type of sugar. We use cane sugar at home, so yeah. The instant coffee that I use is the Nescafe. I have tried different type of instant coffee, but this one works the best, so just FYI. And normally I don't use it in a beaker to blend, but this is see-through, so you can kind of see what's going on. Usually I do it in the cup. Now, whenever you do it in a ceramic cup or in a stainless steel cup, make sure when you turn this thing on, don't touch the side. Otherwise, you will scratch the side of the cup or the stainless steel cup. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Anyway, so let me get started with this. I'm just gonna pour the coffee in here. And then the sugar. Lastly, the water. It's nice to have a stand, so after you're done with it, you just put it on top like so. So yeah, it's convenient. Alright, so what you do now is just kind of swirl it a little bit, get it mixed well inside, and then tilt the cup in a degree, and then you just turn this thing on. Now, the way that you know this is done is when you are pouring this up, the liquid starts dripping really, really slowly. It became kind of very cream-like. All right, so now that it's done, you just pull it up, and you can see now it's dripping slowly, and consistency is very cream-like now. So yeah, let me pour this into a cup. Now, normally I would drink it with milk. It doesn't matter what kind of milk you use, but the one that I typically would like to use is the oat milk. So this one actually gives you much better taste. So you can use whole milk or skim milk, half and half, whichever. So use a cup, pour some ice in it if you desire, and I would normally pour about 3/4 up. Just leave some room for the cream to go in, and then, all right, now just pour this down. So here is the dalgona coffee. Yeah, let's taste it. It never fails. It's always good. Alright, so that was how you make a dalgona coffee. It's super simple, it's super easy. Now, let me just show you how to actually use this to froth a milk. So I have here the whole milk. So what you do is you pour inside a cup, maybe 1/4 up. So that way you leave room for the foam to rise. Now you take the wand, what you do is you place inside the milk. As you can see, the foam is already rising. So yeah, every now and then you do the up and down motion, so that way you will get more even blend inside the milk. So if this is your first time using it, just make sure that you don't pour too much milk inside a cup, otherwise it might overflow. This goes really well if you pour a shot of espresso in there. It will make a really nice cup of coffee. So lastly, I just want to give you the final thought about this Bean Envy milk frother. It is really good product. If you never have a milk frother that's in this shape, milk frother wand, then you should definitely get one. There are many different products on the market. Bean Envy is one of them. I have used my own money to purchase a Zule Kitchen one before. They're pretty much similar. Now, I feel that the motor within the Bean Envy is a little bit stronger. And also the base of the Bean Envy stand is much larger and it holds the wand much firmer. Now, aside from that, they're pretty much the same. Should you get one? If you never had one before, you should definitely get one. It will definitely make your coffee making experience much more enjoyable, especially when you can make dalgona on the fly. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.